Hey naturals, welcome to Dima Okike. On this channel, I share lots of natural, amazing hair growth DIY remedies to improve hair growth, thickness, and health. Please, before you continue watching, kindly hit the red button that says subscribe on your interface and share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed watching it. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. In today's video, I'll be sharing a herbal hair growth spray that will grow your hair, stop hair fall, and darken your hair. Excessive shedding causes diffuse thinning of hair, so you definitely need this spray. Today's recipe is a very simple one. Please endeavor to listen attentively. My first ingredient is hibiscus. I'm using dried hibiscus flowers. In Ayurveda, hibiscus is one of the most renowned herbs for promoting hair growth. Those bright and beautiful flowers growing in the gardens all around you have extraordinary healing properties. If you suffer from hair loss, then hibiscus flowers and leaves will serve as the perfect remedy for you and stop hair fall. Both hibiscus flowers and as well as hibiscus leaves are used to cure hair problems. Research suggests that complete recovery from dormant hair follicles and bald patches is possible by using hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, amino acids, mucilage fiber, moisture content, and antioxidants. The goodness of hibiscus beautifies your hair by nourishing your hair, promoting the growth of luscious hair, and bringing out a naturally satin soft texture to your mane. Hibiscus is a fantastic herb to add to your hair care routine. Try herbal hair products that include hibiscus, especially if you have elevated pitta dosha. Elevated pitta dosha may cause premature graying of hair. Hibiscus is rich in natural pigments, antioxidants, and vitamins that can give a crimson tinge to your gray hair and bring out darker shine to your natural hair color. For this recipe, I used 5 dried flowers of hibiscus. I also poured 500 ml worth of hot water into that. Make sure your water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Next ingredient is green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins. Using green tea for hair can help in reducing dihydrotestosterone, in short DHT, which happens to be one of the major reasons for hair loss. Few studies has been observed that apart from drinking green teas, its usage on hair helps in improving the texture of hair as well as prevents from hair loss. Apart from that, application of green tea also helps in fighting the dryness and dandruff of scalp caused by the use of chemicals. The polyphenols in green tea helps in promoting hair regrowth and is great for hair follicles. For the proportion, I used a tablespoon of green tea, which I poured into the bowl, stirred with my stirring rod. Next, I'm going to be covering that up with my foil paper. Avoid the use of rubber or plastic materials to cover your teas. Reason being that they can interfere with the tea and make it ineffective. So I'm going to be infusing this for 12 hours. Reason for the long infusion is that these are dried ingredients and they need time to infuse. After infusion, here is my tea. I'll go ahead and uncover and then sieve. For the sieving process, I just used my strainer and my bowl to collect my tea. This is one perfect recipe that you should keep close to you if you must stop shedding, balding, breakage, and also if you must regrow your hair on thinning areas. After sieving, discard the chaff and sieve again with cheesecloth. if you notice some particles still in the tea. I don't know what I was thinking when I first used only a strainer. I was supposed to use my strainer cheesecloth just to make sure I trap all the particles so they don't get stuck in my hair. After sieving and you're happy with your result, next transfer into your applicator bottle or spray bottle. This helps you spray your tea on the right places. Please keep watching because I'm going to be demonstrating how you can use this tea to benefit your hair. Have you given this video a thumbs up yet? If you're watching up to this point, that means you're learning something. Kindly give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please, this is the right time to do so. Would you love to see more of my contents in future? If yes, please tap on that bell icon next to it so you could be notified anytime a video drops on this channel. Now for the application, here is one of the methods you can use this tea. If you want to rinse your hair in a healthy way, then green tea is perfect for you. Once you are done with washing your hair with a shampoo, sulfate-free shampoo, you use green tea water on your hair. This will strengthen the hair roots and give your hair much desired texture and shine. Here is another way to use this. Just as I'm demonstrating in the video, I love to use it to saturate my hair, kind of dampening my hair. This method that I'm doing is the base for my moisture routine. After dampening my hair, this is my protective style, by the way. This is cornrows that I love to wear. I just digressed. So after applying this, the next step is to apply my moisturizing cream, moisturizer, leave-in conditioner, whichever you love to call it. So I love to use the lightweight ones because my hair is fine. So after applying my leave-in conditioner, I'll go ahead and seal in all that moisture with my buttercream or hair growth oil. This tea is perfect for all hair types. Hair porosity, low, high, medium, whichever porosity you fall under, this tea is perfect for you. Are you relaxed or natural? This tea is perfect for you. It is super moisturizing, it's strengthening, and also it helps with growth and reduces shedding. For the storage, you're to store this in the refrigerator for only 5 days, and after 5 days this goes rancid. Please discard and make a fresh batch. For your bald patches, thinning areas, you're to apply this tea on those problem areas and then give yourself a gentle massage. All you need to do is to remain consistent with this recipe. After you're done applying that, go ahead and apply castor oil to those areas, kind of sealing in the moisture, and then give yourself a gentle massage. Keep up with it, and with no time, your hair will start growing on those areas. This tea is perfect for hair regrowth on bald spots and bald patches. At this point, I'll be drawing the curtains. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share this video if you found it helpful. Don't be shy. Come to the comment section and ask me questions, even questions that are not related to this video. I will definitely be answering them all. Thank you so much. Remain blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.